What's up mga kapatid? Cooking vlog to. Today we're going to be cooking the Nigerian chicken stew. Guys, ito yung mga ingredients natin. May sibuyas, may kamatis, may sili, may chicken, tapos may tomato paste. Guys, we're gonna start by steaming the chicken. Guys, when you're steaming the chicken, yung mga ingredients, kahit ano, basta may sili, basta may salt, basta may magic sarap. Tapos yung tubig maliit ha, hindi marami. Tapos guys, yung kamatis, tapos yung sili and yung sibuyas, mag-blend na tayo. You cut them into small pieces para mag-easy yung blending. Pagtapos na, we're gonna blend. Ayan na guys, ito yung chicken. Tapos ito yung blended sibuyas at sili at kamatis. Guys, importante talaga yung blended sibuyas ang kamatis kasi ito lang yung thickness ha. May thickness sa tomato paste syempre, pero mas importante talaga yung fresh thickness to. Guys, we're gonna fry the chicken na. Gustong talaga mag-fry chicken kasi pag hindi na, medyo raw. Hindi naman raw, pero mas masarap pag fried chicken. Oo. So guys, pagtapos na, you bring out the chicken. And when we're done bringing out the chicken, we're gonna start by frying the tomato paste. Guys, importante talaga yung cooking oil tapos yung pan kasi if you don't fry this ingredients, ang pangit talaga yung taste. Kasi gusto ko natin mag-alis yung raw taste. Kasi pag andyan yung raw taste, ang pangit talaga yung kain. Diba? Ayun na guys, we're gonna mix the tomato paste and the fresh tomatoes and sibuyas. Pag cook na with cooking oil, ito yung mocha, ito yung face. Pagtapos na, we're gonna add the chicken after like boiling for 10 to 15 minutes naman. Pero depende sa gas o yung cooker mo. Guys, ito yung magic sarap. Dalawang magic sarap sa whole chicken ha. Dalawa lang. Kasi yung chicken kanina pa, may stock. So, ayoko talaga yung maraming magic sarap kasi may magic sarap naman sa chicken stock nyo. Guys, oo nga, we're gonna add the chicken stock. Tapos pagtapos na, we're gonna let it boil for 5 minutes and then we add more ingredients naman. Ito guys, yung cooking oil. Importante talaga yung cooking oil para avoiding yung burn. Kasi pag burn, ang pangit na yung taste. Guys, easy talaga yung food pero it's also easy to mess it up. Ito yung crayfish, taga Nigeria to. Yung ingredient to, taga Nigeria. Di ko alam kung andito sa Pinas pero taga Nigeria to. Kahit yung grinded pepper, taga Nigeria. Oh, all the way from Nigeria. Kasi syempre naman, Nigeria stew to. Basta may Nigerian ingredients, diba? Oh guys, ma-stir tayo. Pagtapos, we're gonna let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes o 20 minutes. Sabi ko kanina, depende sa stove mo or sa cooker mo. Ayan na guys. Ito yung final resort natin. Ah, ganda. Apakaganda yung chicken stew to. Ayan. May maraming meat. At syempre guys, may rice tayo. Kasi pag may chicken stew, syempre may rice. Oh, guys, ito yung tasting session. Sige na, friends. Masarap?
Masarap. Pero alam mo na, mas masarap ako.
So yeah, guys. Thank you for watching. Peace.